Explanation video for Tuesday, September 14th. There will be two different activities. One will be for the morning class and one will be for the evening class, and they will be a little bit different. So please pay close attention to if I'm talking about the morning class or the evening class. I'll start with the morning class. This is our morning page. If you come to the bottom, click on this folder, Welcome Back Fall 2021. Week 2, testing. And then come to day 2, September 14th. So let's look at the sync folder first. So the first activity will be about netiquette and empathy. It's about communication online. So we'll review some of these ideas about how to have good netiquette. And then we will watch this video about empathy together, and we will have a group discussion about how to use empathy when we talk to each other in class. Okay, so the next activity is a reading and listening activity. So this is an article about the effects of technology in Marlene's family. Okay, so here's the article. Here, this is the article. Here, you can listen to the article if you click here.
Technology connects and disconnects.
Okay, so we can listen to it and read it at the same time. After we're finished listening to the article and reading the article, we will answer these questions. We will compare technology in Marlene's family and technology in your family. We can decide, is it the same or is it different? Or how is it similar or different? We will also compare the benefits and challenges of technology, right? So the good and the bad of technology. We will discuss our answers in groups, and then we will share our answers with the class. And then going to the async, let's look at our independent work for today. We have a Kahoot activity about sorting. So once you open this, click here one more time. So it opens in a new tab. And so this is where you can practice sorting. Okay. Then there's another async work activity. It's a Kahoot on categories. So again, click this link and then click here again where it says Kahoot on categories. And it's a similar idea, right? We practice using categories in a Kahoot activity. One more thing in the async folder. This is for your speaking test. This will be for Wednesday and Thursday. Click here. And so the speaking test will be on Wednesday and Thursday. You will have a 15-minute test where you meet with me on Zoom. You will pick one time from these times here that are available. When you find a time that you like, you will write your selection in the comments section. So here, like, let's say I want Wednesday at 9 o'clock. I will write Wednesday, 9 o'clock, and then press post. Okay. And then I will make a record and make sure that you have your time. But first, make sure to read other people's selections first so you don't pick a time that isn't available. Okay, don't pick a time that somebody else already chose. Okay, so that is our last async activity for today for the morning class. Let's look at the evening class. Okay, so you can see here, this is the evening class Schoology page. Click here, day 2, September 14th. Let's start with the sync. So today we are doing one thing. We are doing our Spark level set. Okay, we will be in person, we will have our computers, and we will do a Spark level set. Okay, so I will help you to log into the computer and to log into Spark. I will give you instructions of how to do the test. But basically, this is a test to evaluate your reading level so we can use the Spark program for the rest of the semester. Okay, this is the link right here to log into Spark. You click this link and it takes you to Spark, or it's also called Achieve 3000. So here you will enter your username and password. I will give you your username and password. It is different from your Schoology username and password. It's also different from the username and password for your laptop. I have to give it to you because you don't know it until I give it to you. And then from there, it will take about an hour to finish this level set test. Let's look at the async for today, for the evening class. Async. It's the same as the morning. We have a Kahoot activity on sorting, and we have a Kahoot activity on categories, and we have a sign-up sheet for your speaking test. So our speaking test will be Wednesday and Thursday evening. We will meet on Zoom. Sign up. Everybody should sign up for a 15-minute window starting at 6 p.m. and going until 8:15 p.m. And then Thursday, same times, starting at 6, going through 8:15. You will pick one of the times on here. Pick one. And when you make your selection, write it down here in the comments and press post. Okay? But also, before you post it, make sure to read other people's selections first so you don't pick a time that isn't available. Okay, so that is the final async activity for today. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.